Good morning to all my dear children. I am Priyanka Agarwal and I'll be taking your English classes. Today we are going to learn about sentence. Now, first of all, what do you mean by sentence? A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. For example, my favorite color is green. Now here, all words are joined in a manner which is giving us a meaningful sense. That is why it is a sentence. Similarly, if I say color green, favorite is mine. Here the words are not arranged in a proper manner and hence not giving us a proper sense. That is why it is not a sentence. Next, we will go to kinds of sentences. Once again, we are going to start with kinds of sentences. Now, we have 4 kinds of sentences. First, declarative. Second, interrogative. Third, exclamatory. Fourth, imperative. So, I repeat, there are 4 kinds of sentences: declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, imperative. Now we will discuss all these 4 types of sentences in details. Now, as you can see, declarative sentences are the sentences which tell something, which tell something, and they end with a full stop. They end with a full stop. First of all, they tell something, and they end with a full stop. And we also call declarative sentences as assertive sentences. The other name is assertive sentences. Now, second is interrogative sentence. As we know, the word interrogative means to ask question. So here the sentence which asks a question is interrogative sentence. And as it is a question, so it will end with a question mark. It will end with a question mark. Next is exclamatory sentences. Third type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. That means it shows strong feeling. Now, that strong feeling can be of sadness or happiness or surprise. And it ends with an exclamation mark. It ends with an exclamation mark. And last is imperative sentence, which gives a command. Where we give the command, the order, the request, all these come in imperative sentences. And it ends either with full stop or exclamatory mark. Now, let me give you one example each of the type of sentences to you. Now, first, as is declarative, as it is telling you, it tells something and ends with a full stop. So, the boys are playing cricket. So, it is a simple sentence and it is telling you that the boys are playing cricket and it is ending with full stop. Next is interrogative, which asks a question: how are you? And it is ending with question mark. So it is a question: how are you? Next is exclamatory sentence, which shows strong feeling and it ends with exclamatory mark. Now here the sentence can be: what a beautiful building it is. What a beautiful building it is. Okay, so it is expressing a strong feeling after looking at the building that what a beautiful building it is. So it will end with exclamatory mark. And last, imperative sentence which gives a command. If I say, sit down students, so this is my command to you. Please open the window. Okay, this is a request. Please open the window. So this is imperative sentence. Next is, I have provided you with the worksheets. Here are some jumbled up words. That means the words are not arranged in a proper sequence. So you have to arrange the words in such a manner that you get a meaningful sentence out of it. So please try to do it. Let me give you first as an example. The first is, here we have words in V of science, the age, live. Now here the words are not arranged in proper sequence. So what will be the sentence out of it? We live in the age of science. So we get a sentence that means we live in the age of science, and here we get a meaningful sentence. So this is your homework. You have to do this worksheet as homework. Next is again, here you have to read the sentence. Then you have to write the punctuation mark, whether full stop will come, whether exclamatory sign will come, whether question mark will come or full stop. And then you have to write the type of sentence. Like first is, how was your day in school? So it will be followed by question mark because it is a question and the type is interrogative. So like this you will do the 2 worksheets as your homework. Thank you. Rest will be continued in next class. Stay safe and stay healthy at home. Thank you so much.